How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers, and today we are doing a first impressions of the Fireluke mesh, which is, or the Fireluke Freemax, or whatever. It's basically the mesh tank from what I saw online. I just barely received this like a couple of days ago. I was hoping to receive something else, and I was going to do two first impressions today. I know that I said that I don't really want to do first impressions anymore, but I only received this today, so I'm sorry, but this is how it's gonna be. There might be two first impressions this week, and then there's gonna be another video explaining about my giveaway for 100 subscribers, but we'll get to that at the end of the week. Other than that, let's dive up close and personal, unbox this puppy, and then just look at everything inside. Okay, guys, so here is the Freemax Fireluke mesh tank. I already peeled it off because I'm excited. Alright, ooh, okay, so it's nice and plastic. I don't really need to show you this portion of it, but I'm gonna pop this sucker out and look at it. Ooh, it feels different. Also, that drip tip is not gonna work for me. I'm probably gonna actually steal the drip tip off of the, stop rolling. I'm probably gonna steal the drip tip off my OBS tank, because I actually like that a lot. Okay. Okay, fine. If you're not going to be cooperative, then just stay in there. Well, I got to get the stuff out. So, let's get that other side. Put you in there. Take this off. And go ahead and remove it all. I know that there's more that comes with this. Aha! Okay, so it looks like there is... What is that? So, there's some O-rings. Obviously an extra piece of glass, and it looks like one extra coil. So the thing with these coils is that they're very stylized they're very stylized, and they look exactly like the tank itself. So, and I guess that's really it to it. So that's nice and simple enough. Alright, well, and there's no instructions, so I'm pretty much going to have to figure this out all by myself, so... Alright, so that's how you fill it, pretty easy, unscrew from the top. I'm going to go grab my juice real quick, which is over here. And today I'm using a Treat Factory, because they didn't have one of the flavors that I love a lot, so I had to go with this one. Alright. Nice and filled there, as you can see. Put it back on, make sure a tight fit. Ooh, I don't know if this drip tip actually... Oh, it does, thank goodness. Good. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna have to use it because it's a little bit bigger. Dang it. Oh well. Anyway, so that's all nice and filled. I'm gonna prep this off screen for a little bit, and then we'll come back up top and then finish it out. So see you back up there. Okay, guys. So here is the the Freemax Fireluke mesh. Whatever. I'm just gonna call it the mesh tank because it's a lot easier to say that. The description will say the Freemax Luke mesh tank, but I'll just call it the Freemax mesh tank. So the only deal is that I kind of wish that I could put a different drip tip on here, because this thing is really stubby. It's like a really stubby drip tip. It's like nothing. Also, my RX 300. I don't know what's going on with me today, but RX 300, it's supposed to be hitting at 0.48 watts, so... Not burning yet. Ooh! Ooh, it's like a little beast. I mean, I'm gonna power it down a little bit. Oh, that's up. Because lately I've been having problem with voltage ramps. That was at 100 watts. So, I don't know exactly what's installed here. 0.15 ohm mesh coil. That's what we got here. 0.15 ohm. Reading 0.23, but whatever. As far as really good. It's a good flavor thus far, but we will see in the weeks to come. If I can find a different drip tip for this, I am definitely going to, because that isn't gonna cut it. Because I'm a big boy and it doesn't work that way. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what's gonna do it for this episode today. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back and watching my videos. On my left here, there's gonna be a video that YouTube thinks you're gonna like. On my right, there's gonna be a subscription button. Make sure to hit that and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, make sure to hit that bell icon. Other than that, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back. And I'll see you in the next video.